Hey guys, it's Jasmine and Pirate Cat Shirt! As you probably already remember, you can get shirts just like this one at the catladyfitness.com shop, which I will link in the description below. Now, once again, I tried my best to get Puppy involved in today's video, but... Excuse me, Puppy. Hello, it's Catter Day. Okay. He just really needs his beauty sleep lately. So, once again, we are outside. Look at this fountain. It is beautiful. There's a duck over there. I don't know if you could see him. And I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you some exercises with one of my favorite little portable tools, this resistance band. Now, as many of my clients know, I love this little tool, and I always suggest that if you're gonna invest in something, if you travel a lot and you can't bring weights around, which you really don't even need because body weight is super efficient, then these resistance bands are awesome. Not only are they super lightweight and easy to carry around because they take up very little space, but they are also really, really effective in activating certain muscles that you might otherwise neglect, especially if you only do basic compound movements, and especially if you have problems with mobility. And just like always, I'll leave a link in the description below for the 5-pack of resistance bands that I got myself off Amazon and that most of my clients also get. Also, just to show you how versatile these bands are and how you really don't need anything except them and your body, I'm showing you exercises today that don't even involve getting on the ground. Alright guys, let's get to it. Here are a handful of good go-to exercises using small resistance bands. have it. That was a handful of exercise ideas utilizing resistance bands. Just remember, if you're not working with a trainer or somebody to make sure that your form is right, to take your time, don't rush through the movements, and to make sure, especially with the squat movements and anything involving lateral stepping, that you don't let your knees buckle and you keep everything nice and stable. And if you do feel like you need some more personalized coaching, remember to check out truehealthtrifecta.com, because that is where I offer my stuff for humans, and you can start off with a fitness and nutrition consultation, and then from there we can decide if you happen to be a good candidate for online training. All right, so we hope, the duck and I today, because Puppy was way too busy apparently, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and perhaps motivating to get started towards your fitness journey. Remember to click that thumbs up below if you liked this video, and also to click subscribe, because we do put out new videos every Saturday, which are usually about cat stuff or fitness or nutrition or whatever other fun things I feel like posting. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we, hopefully Puppy and I, will see you next week. Bye!